अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। सो आज हम लोगों ने जो अपना पेपर कंप्लीट नहीं किया था, ये वही सेम 402411 जून 2020 का पेपर है एंड टुडे वी विल बी कंप्लीटिंग द होल पेपर। सो फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। ओके, सो क्वेश्चन 10 में बेसिकली हम लोगों को पार्ट ए में द फर्स्ट 5 points have been plotted for you and we had to complete the scatter diagram. So the first thing, why is it called a scatter diagram? Because all the points are scattered, they don't form an exact line or a pattern. So we will basically plot these points, and I have plotted these points with the green dots. Then the next thing, what type of correlation is shown in the diagram? So it's a positive correlation. All right, then draw a line of best fit. So how do we draw a line? We basically connect most of the points. We make a line, that line is according to the estimate. So most of the points are connected and it's near the other points, as you can see, and this is the line of best fit. And why am I writing that this is a positive correlation? Because as the number of days are increasing, the height is also increasing. Okay, can the scatter diagram be used to predict the height of this plant 100 days after planting? No. Why not? Because the data is only given to us till 80 days. So in between 0 to 80 days, whatever heights we need to predict, we can do that. But after 100, after 80, we cannot predict because the data is only restricted till 80. So the data is till 80. All right. So we will move towards the next question. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value of. So 21.86 correct to one significant figure will be 22. Rather 20, one significant figure, right? So it will be 20 minus 9.64, 10 divided by 2.47. So this will be to 2. 10 divided by 2 will be a 5. So our final answer will be 15. All right. Okay, moving towards the next question. Adil observed the number of people in each of 20 cars entering a park. Write down the mode. Mode is the most repeated value. So the frequency is the highest over here. So the mode is 2. Calculate the mean number of people in each car. So mean number of people in each car. How do we find the mean? So that is basically sigma fx upon sigma f. So this frequency for 1 is 2. So 2 plus the other frequency is 7. 2 plus 7 2s are 14. 3 6 are 18. 4 4s are 16. 5 1s are 5. And this will come over here, it's sigma f. So the total of frequencies, that is 2 plus 7 9 plus 6 15 plus 4 19 plus 1 20. So this is how we will get our mean, and our mean is 2.75. All right, moving towards the next question. During 2018, the population increased from 200 to 250. The percentage increase. How do we take out the percentage increase? The new value, that is 250, minus the old value, that is 200, divided by the old one, multiplied by 100. So the zeros cancel. 250 minus 200 will give us a 50, and 50 divided by 2, that will be a 25. So it's 25%. Another method to do this question is a ratio method. You can equate the 200 ratio to 100%, and then you can find the percentage for 250. The length of a rectangle is increased by 10%. The width is decreased by 10%, the same rectangle, the area of the new rectangle. Now, if we see, generally the formula for area is length into breadth. Now it says, let's say this is the formula for the initial area, A initial. Now it says that the length is increased by 10%. So the length would become 110 upon 100, right? It's initially 100%, it is increased 10 more. And then divide by 100 to remove the percentage sign. And the breadth is decreasing by 10%. So 100 minus 10 will be a 90. 90 upon 100 breadth. Alright. Now we need to find the area of the new triangle as a percentage of the old triangle. Let's just multiply these values. So this is basically giving us 99 upon 100. 99 upon 100 LB. Now you know this LB is the A initial, the initial area. So the new area is 99% of the initial area. So 99 will come over here. Okay, now we come towards the next question. In a survey, some students were asked about their favorite type of music. They could choose classical, folk, reggae or rock. The following relative frequencies were calculated from the result. 300 students took part. Calculate the number of students who chose reggae. Alright, so the total relative frequency should be a 1. So what will be the for reggae? Let's find that out. We will add all the others and we will subtract it from 1. Okay, that is 0.24. And then simple, we will just multiply 0.24 with 300 so that we can find out the actual number of students who chose reggae. And that's 72.